Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to create an ad with thousands of likes and shares. I bet you have seen a lot of ads with thousands of likes and views and hundreds of comments and shares. These likes, shares and comments attract people. They are strong social proof. They show that a lot of people are engaging with your post, and this encourages new people to click and engage with your post. Imagine that you are in a town and searching for a restaurant to eat. You are standing in a street full of restaurants, and in front of one of these restaurants, you see a long queue. This will most probably encourage you to go to this restaurant because you will say to yourself, since a lot of people are interested to eat there, it could be a great restaurant, so let's go. Well, it's the same thing with Facebook ads. When you have thousands of people engaging with your ad, it encourages other people to engage also, and this is a huge sales booster. So how to achieve this social proof ad? Well, you go to your page and you create the post there on your page and not from the ad manager. And then, when you create your ad at the ad level, you click on using an existing post and you choose the post you have created. So this way, in the testing phase, when you create 10 ad sets, for example, each of the ad sets will use the same post. So all the likes and shares and comments coming from each ad set will sum up. So if each ad set brought you 15 likes, so if you have 10 ad sets in the testing phase, you will have 150 likes, and that's a good beginning. A lot of people create the ad at the ad level. So if they have 10 ad sets, it will result in the creation of 10 different ads, and the likes will be distributed on each of the ads. That's why you should create the post on your page, and each time you want to market your product, you choose your existing post. That's how the likes will accumulate over time. There is also another option. So instead of creating your post on your page, you can create an ad on your first ad set. And each time you create a new ad set, you use the ID of the first ad you have created. In this way, the shares, comments, and likes will be accumulating. I have showed you how to do that in the lecture dedicated for the ad level. If you want to go with this option, you can go back to the lecture of the ad level and check out how we did it. I will teach you another tip that some of the dropshippers use. I don't personally use it, but you can do it in order to boost your social proof. You create a campaign with an engagement objective, and you create your ad set and you target people in countries that have low-cost ads. If you search Google, you can find a list of countries where Facebook ads cost low. You target them and you choose at the ad level your existing post. This way, if you put some budget, you will have lots of engagement on your post. And these likes and comments and shares will stay, and they will help you boost your sales. So after collecting all these social proof, you go back and you start using your post in your other ad sets, but now with a conversion campaign. So these are the two different methods to get high engagements on your post. You can work with any one of them, or you can choose to work with both of them. Stay tuned with me and let's meet in the next lecture.